Brother MFCJ995DW, best for mugs, t-shirts. Next on our list in a printer from the Brother. The Brother MFCJ995DW stays the most amazing option for all those looking for laser printing texts. This printer provides attractive customizations on your mugs with minimal time. You can surround all the areas of your mug with exceptional graphics and printed texts of your choice. Here are some key features of the printer. The Brother MFCJ995DW is great for its ink retaining feature. This printer comes with an abundant supply of ink and also is great in retaining this ink. The ink cartridges are excessively improved to make more space for holding large quantities of ink. This lets you save money, ink, as well as the time that you would take to refill the cartridges. This printer works on the Inkvestment tank system, which makes it a model sublimation printer. It can not only retain ink for a year, but also lets you keep a check on how much ink is being used. It provides all details about its working and capacity. There is no need to replace cartridges again and again. Not only is it a great hassle to do so, but also it can damage the cartridge. So a better choice would be to buy this printer, which does not require you to switch cartridges. It has a built-in cleaning mechanism that helps it operate efficiently on its own. The Brother MFCJ995DW can be connected with a USB device to transfer the preferred images or prints on the mugs. The USB ports are usually covered, so no harm can be done to them. There are no virus or USB crash issues reported yet. Hence, the USB is safe to plug in with this sublimation printer. We would suggest you buy the Brother MFCJ995DW sublimation printer, considering its Inkvestment tank system, which is revolutionary in the sense that it can save you a lot of money and effort. Lots of different kinds of network protocols are also supported. There are intelligent page gauges to help with continuous and speedy printing operations. So if you think you are bad at keeping track of things, then Brother MFCJ995DW is one of the best choices that I will suggest for you. A link has been provided in the description through which you can purchase this printer.